Magandang buhay sa lahat. Liza Soberano has been launched as the new face of BYS Cosmetics PH at SMXSM, Aurora Taguig. Congratulations Liza Soberano, BYS picked the right and best endorser of their product. Liza never fails to deliver. Napahanga masyado ang mga fans ni Liza Soberano sa new update nito. Di rin napigilan ng isang diyosa ng kagandahan na si Ann Curtis ang mapakomment sa photos ni Liza Soberano. Pinuri nga ni Ann si Hopi Liza Soberano on what the BYS multiverse of play means to her. Ayon sa dalaga, I think what BYS is trying to do is just give people confidence and empower them to explore and embrace their individuality and creativity. Samantala, EJ Nacion and Liza Soberano moment at BYS event. Ang daming natuwa at masaya sa pagkikita at pagsasama ng mag-best friend. Atin pang panoorin ang iba't ibang ganap kay Liza Soberano sa nasabing event.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.